Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to do lower thirds in DaVinci Resolve. I'm going to show you a super easy way that you can pay for, but it comes with a whole lot of tools. And then I'm going to show you a free way that you can do just right within DaVinci Resolve with no added software, no money put into it, no anything. Good to go. Before we get started though, I do want to ask you to subscribe because I'm trying to get to 50 subscribers and we're really close. So if you could go down there, hit that subscribe button, that would be fantastic and I would really appreciate it. But without any further ado, let's hop into the video. Alright, so we've got our clip in our timeline, which is a shot that I took at Alexandra Springs with my Mavic Pro, which has since died. If you guys want a video about how that happened or how you can avoid that problem, let me know in the comments down below. Okay, so we're going to start off with our really easy paid for way, and all you're going to do for that is you're going to need the Red Giant Universe plugins for this, which I believe is about $100 per year, which for everything that you get in it is a fantastic deal. Alright, so for this one you're going to want to have the part of your clip cut that you want to be using. So we're going to use this first bit here. We're going to bring title motion down onto the clip and just drop it on there. Then you're going to see a big thing pop up after it loads in. Boom, just like that. Big ugly red box. But no sweat. You come up here to your inspector, you click on OpenFX, you go to Browse Presets, and then they have all of these different lower thirds options for you right here. My favorite one is just this clean little line, and then it will change that big red ugly box to that. So we're going to edit our text and just do lower thirds and hit OK. And then you'll see down here that changes to lower thirds, so you can make that say whatever you want it to say. So we've got our line 1 attributes here where we can alter our font size on our line 1. So here you can change your font color individually line by line. You can change your size, the opacity of your font, so you can make it less visible, more visible, change your tracking, you know, just everything that you would need to mess with to make your text look exactly how you want your text to look right there. Line 2, same thing. You can change the offset, you can change the opacity, all of it. You can mess with your drop shadow, your shape, which is this guy right here. This is going to be your shape. You can change the color of that. You can change your transition duration, all that. So what this one's going to do is it's going to pop in from the left and then kind of wobble back until it is where it needs to end up. That's a really nice natural looking lower thirds effect, and it's pretty much pre-built for you, super easy to do. Now we're going to delete this and we're going to hop into our free way that you don't have to pay for at all. It's just built right into DaVinci Resolve. So you're going to go to Titles, and then you're going to pick left lower third, middle lower third, or right lower third. We're going to go with left just because I think that one looks the best. Pop it on there, and then boom, right there you've got your lower thirds. So you click on that. You can edit your first line text, so lower, your second line text, thirds, and then same idea, you can change the color of it, you can change the size, the tracking, the line spacing, but the thing about this one is it doesn't come pre-keyframed, so it's just going to pop up harsh and then it's going to go away harsh. So you're going to need to keyframe this one, which isn't so bad because you can do all of those keyframes right here with your position. So say you want this one to start off screen and then keyframe, and then a few frames later we get it back on screen right where we want it to be. We can do the same thing with line 2 down here. One of the drawbacks to this, aside from having to do everything manually, is that you don't get an opacity slider, so you can't make your font more see-through or less see-through as you want, but other than that, you have pretty much all of the same control, and it's a great way to get lower thirds into your videos, especially if you're looking to do it on a pretty tight budget. This is a free way, and it works incredibly well. So that's it for this one. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, like it if you learned anything, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I will answer every single one of them. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.